Scientists say the hailstones of the future may get bigger and more destructive. And this is not just about ice falling from the sky. This is about roofs, cars, solar panels, crops, windows, power grids, and entire neighborhoods getting hit by frozen projectiles moving at highway speed. A new study published in Nature says warming conditions could increase the number of storms producing hail larger than a large marble by 38 to 47% by the end of the century, depending on future emissions. At the same time, storms that produce smaller hail may actually decrease, so the future may not be more hail everywhere. It may be fewer weak hail events, but more storms capable of dropping the kind of hail that breaks things. That is the twist. A warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture. More moisture can fuel stronger thunderstorms. Stronger thunderstorms can build stronger updrafts. And those updrafts are the engine that keeps hailstones suspended inside the storm. The longer a hailstone stays inside that rotating tower of air, the more layers of ice it can collect. Up, down, back up again. Each trip through supercooled water adds another frozen shell, until a small pellet becomes a damaging stone, then a damaging stone becomes golf ball size, then baseball size, then the kind of hail that punches through windshields, smashes skylights, shreds crops, dents metal siding, and turns a normal thunderstorm into an insurance disaster. The United States already sees around $10 billion in hail losses every year. Worldwide, hail losses are estimated around $80 billion annually. And unlike tornadoes, hail does not need a violent funnel to cause a billion-dollar disaster. It just needs a wide enough storm over the wrong city during the wrong afternoon. That is why this matters, because more people are moving into hail-prone areas. More neighborhoods are being built. More solar farms are going up. More vehicles sit outside. More roofs are exposed. And every extra inch of hail size changes the damage. A marble-size hailstone is annoying. Golf ball hail can destroy a roof. Baseball-size hail can total cars. Softball-size hail can be life-threatening. And giant hail does not fall gently. Some large hailstones can hit the ground at speeds fast enough to break glass, damage brick, and injure anyone caught outside. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly how these storms will change. Hail is hard to model. It forms inside chaotic thunderstorms, where tiny changes in temperature, moisture, wind shear, and updraft strength can decide whether the ground gets rain, pea-size hail, or stones big enough to make national news. But the signal in this study is clear enough to pay attention to. Small hail may become less common, large damaging hail may become more common, and the financial hit could grow with it. This is not the loudest disaster story. It does not always come with sirens. It does not always trend like a tornado. But hail is one of the most expensive, severe weather threats in the country. And if the biggest stones become more common, then the next severe thunderstorm warning may not just mean lightning and wind. It may mean frozen damage falling out of the sky, cars under overpasses, roofers booked out for months, solar panels shattered, crops flattened, insurance claims exploding, and neighborhoods waking up to a sound that starts like rain, then turns into glass breaking. Scientists say bigger hail risk is growing, and the future severe weather threat may not always be the tornado. Sometimes it may be the ice inside the storm. Follow StormScapes for severe weather science, strange earth stories, and real-time disaster updates, because the sky does not have to spin to become dangerous.